So, how you see that AlgoSec works to balance between to be consolidated and in their market and in your and in your market and in your product, and to bring innovation to the tool, because there are some tools or some brands that tries to innovate and to break the
Hmm.
toy. Yeah.
Hmm.
So how you see that AlgoSec balance the innovation and the consolidation of their products?
That's a beautiful question. And I'll give you two examples to how we do that. First of all, if we look on what we call the application connectivity posture story that I told earlier, we identified that 5 or 6 years ago, or even more, and it took time to find and really be able to meet 100% the market need. But once we managed to tune it and find it, it's leading us, ahead of the game in terms of the innovation within it. The second side of it is more on the transition that we see the industry that's going through, and we see the transition from the traditional firewalls into what we call now the five core ingredients. So we have the SASE, MAS, we have the cloud firewall, we have the SD-WAN, and we have in the center the traditional firewalls. And we see more and more of our customers playing within that range of those five elements in different areas. You will see some of them are using the SD-WAN on-prem, some of them on the cloud, some of them are using within the cloud native firewall, some of them are using the new generation firewalls from the traditional vendor. So we see all of that, and we identify that, and we knew that it's a transition that happens. And when you have a transition, it opens an opportunity for innovation. And that's where we have our cloud security suite, okay, where we are able to onboard all of the primary cloud providers. So we work with GCP, AWS, Azure, and so on, being able to onboard and provide you risk analysis for all of those instances that you have in the cloud, as well as onboarding the topology of those clouds. So you integrate with Azure, AWS load balance, or GCP, and we provide you the load balancer, the firewalls, and all of that. So you can have a full topology into that from the firewall level as well as from the application level. So you have that mesh of innovation between the application-centric approach into the low-level firewall capabilities on the network side of things.